In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track goals in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a goal created with clear targets, you'll know how to update progress, and you'll be able to monitor the progress bar to see how close you are to completion. First, open ClickUp. Launch the desktop app or open ClickUp in your browser so you're on your workspace home screen. Next, click Goals. In the left sidebar, find Goals and select it to open the Goals dashboard. Now, click plus New Goal. You'll see this near the top of the goals page. This starts a new goal setup. Enter goal name. In the name field, type a clear, specific title for your goal so it's easy to recognize later. Add targets using tasks, numbers, or currency. Click to add a target and choose the type that fits your goal. Select tasks if your progress depends on completing specific tasks. You'll pick the tasks that count toward this goal, and each completed task will increase your progress. Choose numbers for measurable counts or percentages like calls made or leads captured. You'll set a starting value and a target value. Choose currency if you're tracking money like revenue or budget. Enter the starting amount and the target amount. Take a moment to confirm each target is set the way you want, since this determines how progress is calculated. Save. Click. Save to create the goal with your targets. If you see a brief confirmation, that's normal. Your goal is now listed on the goals page. Update progress. From the goals page, select Update Progress to refresh the goal. This pulls in any changes from linked tasks and applies any manual updates you've entered so the progress stays accurate. Open Goal. Click the goal's name to open its details view. This lets you review all targets and make updates in one place. Update targets manually or via tasks. For number or currency targets, type the current value in the targets field to reflect your latest results, then confirm the change. For task-based targets, complete the associated tasks in ClickUp as you normally would. Each completed task automatically contributes to the goal's progress. If you've just finished tasks, you can trigger Update Progress again so the goal reflects those completions. Don't worry if you make a small mistake when typing a value, you can correct it immediately in the same field. Monitor. Keep an eye on this goal over time from either the goals dashboard or the goals detail view. Return here whenever you need to record new results or when tasks have been completed, and refresh progress as needed to stay up to date. View progress bar. Watch the progress bar at the top of the goal and next to each target. As you complete tasks or adjust values, the bar fills to show how close you are to your target. This visual makes it easy to confirm that tracking is working and to see your current status at a glance. Your goal tracking in ClickUp is now set up, updating correctly, and the progress bar reflects your current progress. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.